What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. On tonight's show, we are going to be drawing 6 Zentangle patterns. We're going to be drawing these. We can get this right. We're going to be drawing these 6 patterns we are in tonight's show. So what we are waiting for, folks, let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach, helping people to focus, move past trauma through art therapy sessions, through my videos, and through one-to-one and workshops that I'm currently organising myself. I also am a sketch artist, drawing people's portraits for them to photorealism using graphite pencil. If that is something that you are interested in, you've got a birthday coming up or anything like that, you can check out my website www.romeosketches.co.uk for all the relevant information and any testimonials and a lot of the pictures that I've been creating for people. So if you want to check that out, www.romeosketches.co.uk. If you want to be going through my life coaching experience or anything like that, needing help with anything, you can email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. I upload videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, the show videos on a Tuesday, and my mandala drawing from my Easy Mandela art book on a Wednesday. So there's going to be a few more changes now coming to my show. I'm going to be doing less of these type of videos where you're going to be seeing my face and everything. I'm going to be doing just a quick little intro. It's going to be now, and what I'm going to be doing more is focusing more on the video content side to it, of providing and bringing you guys more drawing videos, more how to draw videos, and it's going to be more of a voice over video explaining the explaining the video, explaining the art, the video, and how you're going to be going about drawing that particular piece. So there's going to be less of more of my face you're going to be seeing. Well, there's going to be the intro side to it, but the majority of it I'm going to be concentrating on is more of the video side to it. Any new books that I create, I will be mentioning those in videos as well as the intro side to it, but there's not going to be as much of a video. It's not going to be that much of a full-on looking at me talking, rabbiting on that sort of thing. So majority of my videos are going to be going straight into the point, straight into my videos, just so that the videos are a little bit more content aware, so that you can have a little bit more provided information in the videos rather than just listening to me waffle on. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing from now on. So today's video, let's get down to it. We're going to be drawing these 6 Zentangle patterns. Nice, easy, relaxing drawing these Zentangle patterns. Very easy to do. Follow along with the video. All you're going to be needing is a pen, a ruler, and that is it. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you enjoyed that, and give us a comment on any future videos, on any other drawings that you would like me to see me do, especially now that we're going to be doing a lot more how to draw videos. A lot of them are going to be sketching videos as well. I'm going to be, like I said last week, we're going to be going into more of the sketching side to it again, bringing you guys more content on how to draw to photorealism, giving you all the little tips and tricks on what type of pencils to use, graphite pencils, when to be using them, blending stumps, how they used, any sort of erasers, that sort of thing as well. So that's going to be coming up in a lot more of the future videos. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.